And the home team is now up by 3 points going to the third quarter. This is the biggest stage of basketball here in the province of Pangasinan, ladies and gentlemen. The Governor's Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Ventura, that's it by now. Oh, the ball is low. Pick it up by Gonzalez. 8 on the shot clock and Untalan losing the handle. 18 seconds have gone by here in the third quarter of this game. Pavia. I think Pablo.
14 seconds on the shot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pavia drives in.
And now it's my right corner.
That was a difficult angle for Pavia to work with. Rodelias. Kick the ball out. That is a bit heavy on the left by Elizabal. A great attack by Pavia once again, redeeming himself with that under-goal stab. Just a while back.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
And the ball is loose. The attention of our official, that is offensive foul accordingly. Arizabal finding once again. Pull up, over goes. And that was a miss. Defense shielding Flores so that he could not go. Gonzalez being outed by Alcantara. Ventura surveys the finding on Aguilar. And another infraction, this time by Calasiao.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 43 seconds in the third quarter. Our official score: 40 Calasiao, 34 Asingan. Resumption of the ball game.
Okay, we're back to the action. The ball is loose, picked up by Balio. Peralta.
Out to the corner. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Balio con el pull the trigger. Gonzalez. Stop it on the outside.
5 seconds shot clock.
Balio pass.
That is your third personal fouls. First team foul, Team Calasiao. Seventeen seconds on the shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot for Team Asingan. Remaining time 4 minutes and 39 seconds. This is the third quarter.
Sabi nila wala eh. Wala. Sports lang!
Court press by the blue shirt.
Two shots for Team Calasiao. Shot clock winding down 14 seconds on the shot clock. Roundhouse by Team Calasiao.
And Balio was replaced by Ventura.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 12 seconds.
Substitution once again. And go.
Shot line.
38-42, 4-point lead.
Foul versus Stanley Powell. His first foul. Third team fouls. Team Asingan.
3 minutes 11 remaining
Substitution.
in the third quarter, ladies and gentlemen. We have a ball game ahead of us as is an eternity of basketball. The ball is loose. Pick it up. Pablo. Miscalculated. Ontalan, right with his head in the basket.
That was your second personal foul.
Back to basket right away. Just a shot, but he will flip to the line once again for 2 free throws. Under 3 minutes left to play. 2:59 to be exact. Calasiao is still up by 4 points, 38-42. Ontalan having the chance to extend their lead to 6 depending on this free throw. No problem by Ontalan. One more free throw coming up. No problem. And here comes the double trouble. Fabia and Torres Express is coming back to the ballgame. Torres to Domingo. Nice give and go. The ball was deflected. Another excellent defense by Calasiao that time, preventing Torres for that inside incursion.
14 seconds on the shot line.
Ontalan. Ventura. Crossover. Ventura. We got one step coming. There was a block and a foul as well.
Foul
Number 1.
right on the net, spotted by his first foul. 13 fouls, 3 fouls down. Pushes for Russia.
Papawi yan.
Asingan having a hard time finding a hole.
Remaining time, 34 seconds. Here comes the free throw by Vincent Ferrer. 19 seconds remaining time.
Abdal waiting for Balio.
20 seconds on the shot clock.
20 seconds. 10 seconds differential